Hi, I'm Steve Brown from Altran. I've got my colleague Ken from SEKAI with me.
Hi everyone.
What we're going to show you now, Ken's going to run through the one of the training modes for the 800s that we've got set up, which is the washing, which is designed for an end user, an end customer to be able to use to learn how to do the washing process. So,
All right, let's begin. Welcome to the SGT 800 washing training procedure. To begin this procedure, please activate hand mode on your right hand controls by pulling down on the stick or on the thumb pad. In this training procedure, we're going to go through the washing process for an SGT 800 gas turbine. This is a proof of concept training procedure, so we will only cover a subset of all of the steps involved. In this procedure, we're going to go over the connection of the washing system to the gas turbine, unlocking and activation of the drain valves, heating of the washing solution, the washing process both at high speed and low speed, evaluating the success of the washing procedure, and then finally disconnecting of the washing system. To begin with, we will be connecting the power for the washing machine to the gas turbine. To do this, you grab the red power cable connected to the washing machine and then connect it to the power coupler on the gas turbine that is highlighted. Next, we'll be connecting the washing hose to the gas turbine. The washing hose is on the right-hand side of the washing machine, and you'll connect it to the valve that is highlighted on the gas turbine panel. Okay,
it's here.
there we go. Once the hose is connected to the gas turbine, we'll need to turn on the valve that allows the washing system to operate in the gas turbine. This is a red handled valve on the washing panel. Now we're going to unlock the drain valves on the gas turbine. It can be found on the platform in front of you on the left-hand side of the gas turbine. It's highlighted. To unlock it, go to the bar with the lock on it and remove it. Once the drain valve is unlocked, we can open all of the drain valves. To open each drain valve, take the handle and rotate it so the handle is parallel to the pipe. Okay. There we go. We will now skip several of the steps involved in the isolation of the gas turbine. Begin by turning on the power for the washing machine. The power can be found on the button on the left-hand side of the panel. In this step, we're going to heat tank 1 of the washing fluid. To do that, you need to push the Heat Tank 1 button. On the right-hand side, you'll see a gauge that will show the heating of the tank until it gets to 60 degrees Celsius. Now we're ready to begin the low-speed washing process. Push the button labeled Wash Tank 1, which will begin the process, and then you will see on the gauge in the upper right-hand side the pressure of the washing process. The pressure should be between 50 and 60 bars. Once the washing process is started, we need to check to make sure that the nozzles are working correctly. To do this, we need to go to the intake for the compression area on the far side of the gas turbine. Here, there's a window available into the intake hood where you can see the nozzles operating to make sure you see the water going through the gas turbine. There we go.
Yeah, and Ken, after we've done this, I would suggest we go and have a look at it in split view.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, you get some interesting visualizations, and you can see here
Now
jets
we
in
can
operation.
stop the low-speed washing process. To do this, push the washing tank 1 button again to stop it. Okay. We will now begin the high-speed washing process using tank 2 in the washing machine. To begin this process, we need to heat tank 2. So push the heat tank 2 button on the control panel of the washing machine. On the right hand side, you'll see a gauge that will show the heating of the tank until it gets to 60 degrees Celsius. Now we can begin the high-speed washing process. Push the button labeled Wash Tank 2 on the panel of the washing machine, and in the top right side you'll see a gauge that will go up to between 50 and 60 bars of pressure. To stop the high-speed washing process, push the Washing Tank 2 button again. This will complete the washing cycle for the gas turbine.
Before we do that, we should have a look at this hose here, the inspection hose, which sort of simulates the real hose on site. And what we do in the full training is we would carry on doing that until this runs nearly clear. So you get a good view for where everything's going.
Now, disconnect the hose from the gas turbine panel to the washing machine. Disconnect the power from the gas turbine panel to the washing machine by removing the red power plug and placing it next to the washing machine. Close the valve for the washing solution connection to the gas turbine. To do this, you turn the red handle valve on the panel for the gas turbine. This completes the SGT 800 washing training demonstration. Now, on your inspector, you can either stop the training or you can restart it and do it once again. The training session has 3 different modes. You have gone through the guided mode. The other modes are unguided, where you get no cues as to what you're supposed to do, and testing mode, which provides you with feedback once you've gone through it to see how accurately you've done the training.